welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to show you how to adjust how much coffee goes into the portafilter. So like let's say that the coffee is too hot. This is we just made coffee with this one. But let's say the coffee is too high or too low. Then you need to adjust the self-grinding tamping mechanism. So what you do is you spin this around this mechanism counterclockwise until it falls out like this. And then you take this little set screw and you loosen it. And then if you want less coffee, you loosen it so that it goes higher. And if you want more coffee, you tighten it so that it goes lower. And then you'll have more coffee. And then to put it back, you just work it into the hole here. And then you rotate it clockwise. Just like that until it's tight. And thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please check out videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.